Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Tita Becca. Alam ko, 60 birthday mo today. Welcome to the club. Dual citizen, Filipino, and senior citizen. Life is too short. Enjoy na lang. Hi, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Becca. Alam ko, you're single, I'm single. Huwag na lang tayo magjowa. Enjoy na lang natin ang pagka-single. O yun lang. Enjoy! Bye! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hi Bex, happy birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Enjoy your special day. God bless.
Happiest birthday, Miss Becca! I wish you good health, so stay happy and sexy.
Annyeonghaseyo! Ito po si Maria from South Korea na bumabate sa aking awesome friend na si Miss Becca ng happy 60th birthday. May this milestone year brings everything you wish for. Enjoy the special day. Miss you bunch until we meet again. Always remember, stay humble with a heart. Miss you bunch. Bye!
For birthday, Ma'am Becca, more birthdays to come. Stay healthy and pretty. Happy birthday!
Hello, Ninang Becca. I wish you a good health and long life. Take care always and enjoy your senior citizen kiddie party. Happy birthday!
Hello, Becca Tanyo Desbugoy Dulon. I would like to greet you a happy birthday to you, and I wish you all the best and more blessing and more happiness to come. Take care.
You go.
Happy birthday, Tita Becca.
Love you.
I love you.
Kiss.
Hi Tita Becca, happy 60th birthday po. I wish you all the best. Good health po. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Enjoy your discount, Tita. God bless po.
Hi Balay Becca, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, dear Becca! I miss you so much, Balae. God bless you!
Happy birthday, Tita Becca. Love you.
Hi, Tita Becca. Happy 60th birthday. God bless.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. Wishing you a good health and enjoy your life. Stay beautiful. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Becca! Wishing you good health and happiness!
Cheers to 60 years, Tita Becca. We wish you a good health.
And you deserve all the good things in life.
Welcome to Dual Citizenship.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Becca.
Happy birthday, Tita Becca!
I love you.
I love you.
Kiss. Kiss.
Happy birthday, Becca. Akala ko 58 ka pa lang, 60 ka na rin pala. God bless you. More birthday to come. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Becca. It's your 60th birthday. Enjoy your life and have fun.
Hello, Mami La. I love you. Miss miss you. God will always protect you. Love you. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Hello, Mami! Happy birthday! Sana magustuhan mo yung bigay namin. I love you. See you soon.
Hi, Mamila. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Sana po magustuhan niyo po yung gift namin. And sana rin makapagbakasyon ka po dito sa Australia soon. We love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ah.
Hello, Mamila. Happy birthday. I miss you so much. I love you. Protect yourself and protect them. Always.
Ayun na. Protect yourself and protect them. Bakit nga ganun?
Ikaw naman, Mama.
Sabi ka na siya. Ha?
Hello, Mami!
Hi, Mamila. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special...
Hello! Masaya ba?